Okay, this is just an update to show you what's going on with Have Hands Open. Okay, I'm running my little 100 amp power supply. It's not putting out that much, but the noise you hear is the fans going. Now, let's see if I can point this stuff out to you. I ain't got nothing to point with, maybe. This is 72 minutes. This is the amperage coming out of the unit. This is the temperature of the unit and the temperature out here. And that is an Arduino it's sitting on. And I'm running it off a USB power supply. This is the pot that controls it. And the voltage going to the cells is 2.85 volts at 80 amps. It's bubbling just a little bit. Just little bitty bubbles coming out. You know how it is when you're pumping in 80 amps. If you want to see it that way, you can, but it's easier just to see it this way. It might be a little bit noisy. Here's the unit. Now, it's an air-cooled unit. That's why those heat sinks are there. These are water cooling jackets for the computer motherboard. There's two of them. The pump and reservoir are up here. It pumps it into the heat sinks through both of them, coming out this one and going into that one. Then comes to the air cooler, comes out, goes back to the reservoir. And it's a 3-fan cooler. AndVe got a speed control up here. Limiting it down to 12 volts. I can go a little higher if I want to, but I don't need to. Anyway, we're back up. We're up to 74 minutes now. This thing's been running. And we're still over at 81, 82. Let me turn that down just a little bit. Oops, turned it up. Okay, go the other way. There we go, 79, 80. And we're at 110. And the outside temperature is 82 to 84, somewhere in there. So anyway, water cooler. This is off of a computer. These are off of a computer. That's for a computer. Water cooled, so it's all running on 12 volts, no problem. And this is supposed to go into a computer and be cooled by air. Well, sorry. Can't cool it by air inside a car, so and anyway, I have a temperature thing. The temperature that you're seeing here, the temperature sensor when I started was identical. The two were identical. It's behind the heat sink of the unit. We're still sitting at 2.8 volts. Let me turn that off, and right around 80 amps. And it's been running for 76 minutes now. This is my timer. So, I'm going to let it run. I'm in Texas. It happens to be a cool weekend, but what the heck. Okay. Bye for now.